far as reducing the flow. Whereas when you go to the check dams and the trays, you're seeing there is a benefit there. Again, this is for flow reduction. For the tray system, you're seeing about a 30% benefit, and that's even greater for the check dams. But this is the way we really looked at the data, because we were really interested in this 1 inch. So if you hopefully you can see my cursor, but this 1 inch target. With the Green Infrastructure Plan, they put forth a goal, basically, and which has since become a requirement in their consent order. But basically, the goal was to get that 1.5 billion gallons reduced and comparable to an all-gray strategy. We would have to manage 1 inch of rainfall on 10% of the impervious surfaces in New York City's combined sewer areas. And so what that means is we're really trying to see what these systems do for that 1 inch of rainfall. And so a lot of the data plots you'll see from here and out really focus on that 1 inch rainfall. And with blue roofs, we're not seeing, we are seeing some percent of that total inflow retained. For the modified inlet, it's somewhere, really hovering between, 10 and 40% of the total volume retained. It gets a little bit better for check dams. It definitely gets better for trays. And this is across 70 storms. But blue roofs is really a detention type strategy. So we didn't really expect to see that much in the way of volume retained, although we do see quite a bit. I mean, again, trays doing about 80% across all storms. A lot of that is because it's storing it, it's detaining it, and then we're seeing evaporation from the rooftop. But again, trays more of a flow or peak reduction strategy, and so we're seeing better results as far as peak flow reduced with the blue roof